Pressing onto certain points on your body can not only heal many pains, but it can also help you fall asleep better and faster. Press on both sides of the spine on your neck. This pressure should be gentle. Next, press on one or both of your calves. This pressure has to be a little stronger. After doing so for 10 times, you should press on the inner side of your wrist like this. At this place, you should also massage in small circular motions. Then press on this place near your big toe. This can be a mix of strong pressure and gentle circular motion. After doing so for 10 strokes each, you'll fall asleep easily.